a compact, powerful and easy to use engine. This is the Briggs Stratton 650EXi series engine, made in the USA of US and global parts. Starts fast with Briggs Stratton Ready Start technology. No prime, no choke, just pull for power. With our S2 guarantee, if it doesn't start in 2 pulls, we will fix it for free. Easiest maintenance with just check and add. No need to replace the oil. Just check regularly and top up when required for the life of the engine. 9.15 Newton meters of gross torque powers your mower blade to make short work of long grass. The higher the torque, the stronger the engine. The 650EXi series engine is ideal for lawns up to 1,000 meters squared. Experience quieter cutting performance with the super low-tone muffler. Easy lightweight maneuverability, 30% lighter than equivalent models with the EXi lightweight design. All our engines are backed by the comprehensive Briggs Stratton dealer network. With more than 20,000 dealers located throughout Europe, there is always a dealer near you. More power, easy maintenance and lightweight with just check and add. The new advanced technology 650EXi, backed by the Briggs Stratton S2 guarantee. The 650EXi series engine gives you the power to get it done. Briggs Stratton. You powered.